Hey everyone, welcome back to the PassFab channel. If you've forgotten your iPad passcode or entered it incorrectly too many times, you may find yourself stuck on the iPad unavailable screen. While this can be frustrating, there are several ways to regain access to your device. In this video, I'll show you 4 effective methods to unlock an unavailable iPad. The first method is unlocking your iPad with a previous passcode. This option is available on iPad OS 17 and later. After entering the wrong passcode multiple times, you may see a Forgot Passcode option on the screen. Tap it and choose the option to enter your previous passcode. If you remember the old passcode that was recently used on the device, enter it and follow the prompts to create a new passcode. Once completed, your iPad will unlock and you'll regain access to your device. The second method is erasing the iPad directly from the lock screen. This method is available on iPad OS 16.7 and earlier. When the iPad unavailable screen appears, you may see an Erase iPad option in the corner of the screen. Tap it and follow the on-screen instructions. You'll be asked to sign in with the Apple ID associated with the device to confirm your identity. After verification, the iPad will erase all content and settings, including the forgotten passcode, allowing you to set it up again from scratch. The third method is using iTunes or Finder on a computer. First, connect your iPad to a PC or Mac. Place the device into recovery mode. Once recovery mode is activated, iTunes or Finder will detect the device and provide the option to restore. Select Restore and wait while the latest software is downloaded and installed. After the process is complete, the passcode will be removed and the iPad will restart at the setup screen. The fourth method is using PassFab iPhone Unlock. This professional tool helps remove screen locks from iPads and iPhones when other methods are unavailable or inconvenient. Download and install PassFab iPhone Unlock using the link in the video description, then launch the software and select Unlock iOS screen. Connect your unavailable iPad to the computer with a USB cable and follow the on-screen instructions. Once the device is detected, download the required firmware package and click Start to Remove to begin unlocking the device. After a few minutes, the passcode will be removed successfully. The iPad will restart and display the Hello screen, allowing you to set it up as a new device or restore your data from an iCloud or computer backup. If this tutorial helped you unlock your iPad, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the PassFab channel for more useful tech tips and solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.